Ever wondered how much it stings to fill up a Tesla compared to your gas guzzler? Let's face it, the whole gas station experience is a drag. Fumbling with the pump, that lingering smell, the ever-increasing price on the sign, it's enough to make anyone dream of a cleaner, more convenient way to fuel their ride. Electric vehicles, EVs, like Teslas seem like the answer. No more gas stations, just plug in and go, right? But is it really that simple? The answer, like most things in life, is, it depends. So, buckle up because in this video, we're diving deep into the world of Tesla charging, uncovering the factors that affect cost and how it stacks up against that age-old pump and pay routine. First things first, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. Electricity prices fluctuate wildly depending on your location. What might cost pennies per kilowatt hour, in one state could set you back double in another. To give you a general idea though, the average U.S. electricity rate sits around 14 cents per kilowatt hour, source, U.S. Energy Information Administration. Now, onto the Tesla itself. Different models have varying battery capacities, which translate to how far you can drive on a single charge. The Model 3 long range, for example, boasts a spunky 358-mile range and an 82 kilowatt-hour battery. Here's where things get interesting. We can estimate the cost per charge by multiplying the battery capacity, kilowatt-hour, by the electricity rate, cents per kilowatt-hour. Let's say you completely drain your Model 3 and need to refill it with electrons. Using our average electricity rate, that charge would cost around $11.48, 82 kilowatt-hours * 14 cents per kilowatt-hour. But wait, there's more. This is just a starting point. How you charge your Tesla significantly impacts the final cost. There are three main charging options: home charging, public charging stations, and Tesla superchargers. Home is where the cheapest charge is. Imagine waking up every morning with a full tank without ever leaving your driveway. That's the beauty of home charging. You can install a Tesla wall connector, a fancy home charging station, for optimal efficiency. This lets you juice up your Tesla at a rate of around 44 miles per hour, meaning a full charge for your Model 3 could take roughly 8 hours. The best part? Home charging is typically the cheapest option. Using our average electricity rate again, a full charge from home would cost around $39 per month, assuming you drive 1,200 miles a month, a common average. That's significantly less than the average American spends on gas, which sits around $131 per month, source, AAA. Venturing out, the world of public charging stations, not everyone has the luxury of home charging. Fear not, fellow adventurers. Public charging stations are popping up everywhere, offered by various companies like ChargePoint and EVgo. While convenient, these stations can be a little pricier than home charging. Expect to pay around 21 cents per kilowatt hour on average, though some stations might charge by the hour or even have a flat fee. This can push the cost of a full charge for your Model 3 to around $59 per month. Tesla superchargers, the high-speed heroes, with a price tag. Tesla's supercharger network is legendary for its speed and convenience. These stations can pump a significant amount of juice into your Tesla in a short time, perfect for long road trips. However, with great speed comes great responsibility, or rather, a slightly higher cost. The average cost of a supercharger session sits around 28 cents per kilowatt hour. This means a full charge for our trusty Model 3 could set you back around $90. So, the big reveal, how much does it really cost to charge a Tesla? The truth is, it depends on a mix of factors: your electricity rate, charging habits, and how much you rely on superchargers. Here's the good news: in most cases, charging a Tesla is significantly cheaper than filling up a gas-powered car. Home charging reigns supreme as the most economical option, followed by public charging stations. Superchargers, while undeniably convenient, come at a slightly higher premium. Electric vehicles offer a compelling alternative to gas-powered cars, not just for environmental reasons, but for your wallet too. While the cost of charging a Tesla can vary, it generally falls well below the rising cost of gasoline. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.